come from Òmnium Cultural. This is a Catalan NGO with 180,000 members, no public funds, more than 50 years of history, whose president, Jordi Cuixart, is now in prison. He is accused of sedition and sentenced to 9 years of prison for having exercised his human right to peaceful demonstration and freedom of speech. Amnesty International, Frontline Defenders, World Organization Against Torture, all these international NGOs have asked their immediate release and to drop off charges.